Good day to all. Myself Masakita, faculty of Button Tutorials. I will be handling Navodaya Sainik as well as RMS classes. Yes, my dear kids, so far we have completed with all the chapters, that is noun, pronoun, articles, adjectives, verbs, sentences, question tag, framing of question, etc. We have completed with all the chapters. Yes, now we'll move on to our last topic for your syllabus, that is reading comprehension. What is this reading comprehension? You all know that. See, reading comprehension is nothing but your passage. See, my dear students, it is applicable for all the three exams, that is Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS classes, and especially for aiming for Navodaya and aiming for Sainik all the exam, but especially Navodaya, it is in English part, it is the most important. You will not get any question and answers, okay, but you will be getting only on the passages, okay. Or aiming for Sainik and RMS, they will be getting question. We have learned the topics to what is meant by noun, and we have learned concept. On that concept basis also you will be getting, along with that you will be getting through comprehension. Before learning this, let us see what is meant by comprehension and how to solve it. And my dear students, see, comprehension is nothing but it is a passage. Okay, it is a passage, and you have to read carefully each and every line of the passage, and under the passage they will be given with a question. They will be given with some question. See, comprehension is nothing but they will be given a passage. Under the passage they will be given with some question. That question is based upon that passage only. Okay, that questions are based upon that passage only. So, as a student, what your work is to now, your work is to, you have to read the passage carefully, and you need to understand the concept over the passage, and you need to start answering the question given below. And you should not answer as your own. Okay, you should not answer whatever you want. You have to choose the answer in that paragraph itself. We may ask the question, ma'am, why this comprehension is given for us? This comprehension is given to student to check the ability on the contents and the reading. Okay, this session or this topic is given for the student to check the ability on the contents. This is about the introduction of your passage. I'll repeat once. See, comprehension is nothing but the passage is given. Upon that the passage, the questions are set. Okay, you need to answer this question. Okay, you people should answer read the passage once or twice, and you need to answer. Okay, let us give the definition. See, a comprehension, a comprehension, a comprehension exercise, a comprehension exercise consists of, a comprehension exercise consists of a passage. This consists of a passage upon which questions are set. Upon which questions are set. Upon which questions are set. The main purpose of this, the main purpose of this exercise, is to test candidates, used to check candidates ability to understand, ability to understand, ability to understand the content given, the content of the given text, of the given text. the content of the given text. Therefore, students are required to read the passage carefully, and choose the correct answer out of the alternatives given under the question. This is about your reading comprehension. See, what is reading comprehension? Our reading comprehension consists of a passage. Okay, it consists of a passage, and then upon the passage, the questions are set. They will not any different one. Upon that passage only, the questions are set. So, what your people have to do? You have to read the passage. You have to read the passage carefully, and you have to answer the following questions. And you should not answer as your wish. Okay, you have to read the passage once or twice. You understand the concept of the passage and start writing. And why this session is given? This section is given to check the ability of the students on the context. So, ma'am, what is our work is to now? Your work is to read the concept, read the passage, understand it, and start answering. And how to answer? Choose the correct option from the 4 alternatives. Alternative thing but your option. This is a procedure to solve your concept. This is not a chapter. This is one of the concept and very important for Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS. Especially for Navodaya, it is one of the important. Your English section is completely full of your passages only. For Sainik and RMS, the concept based question also given and then passage also given. Take down now. Hope you all understood. Now, how to attempt? What are the procedure? How to attempt this? Okay. See, the first one, read the passage. Read the given passage slowly and carefully to know the details. Second one, study the question thoroughly. Turn to the relevant question. Turn to the relevant portion. Turn to the relevant portions of the passage. passage and choose the answer. And choose the answer. Choose the answer. And third one, answer must be, the answer must be, the answer must be based on information, based on information given in the passage, information given in the passage, information given in the passage. And then you should not choose the answer, you should not choose the answer, you should not choose the answer, choose the answer according to your own thoughts and opinion, your own thought or opinion. This was the procedure to attempt your passages. What are the procedure? Read the given passage slowly and carefully to know the details. You have to read the passage once or twice to know the detail, whether what is the story, what did the man do, where he went. Like that, any passage, any story or anything is given, you have to read the passage very carefully once or twice to understand the details of the passage. Second one, study the question thoroughly, turn to the relevant portions of the passage and choose the correct answer. Study the question properly, even you have to study the questions properly, turn to the relevant. Okay, select what is your name. Okay, for example, see, myself Sarpita, I am faculty of Button Tutorials. I will be handling Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS classes. This is your passage. First question, what is the name of this faculty? The faculty name is Harpita. And what she is teaching? She is teaching mental ability, intelligence and now English. Like that, you have to answer which in a passage given. You should not answer according to your own thoughts. The question is, you must not be based on the information, the passage. You should not choose the correct answer according to your own. So you should not choose according to your own. You have to choose upon the concept only. This is about your reading comprehension. Boys, I'll repeat once, my dear student, reading comprehension is one of the most topic for all the three exams, that is Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS. Especially the students who are aiming for Navodaya, your English section is full of your passages only. And then who are aiming for Sainik as well as RMS, even you two people have this concept passages. Along with this, you will be asked on the content based and concept based question. What is concept based question? So far we have learned all the chapters, noun, pronouns, articles, adjective, etc, etc, etc. On that also question will be asked. Along with that, you will be asking the passage. And then what are the procedure? You have to read the passages carefully, okay, and you have to start answering. You have to choose the correct answer for the passage. You should not answer according to your own thoughts. This is about your passages chapter. It is one of the easiest where you can score out of 4. See, why this session is given? This session is given to students to check the ability of the students on the contents, whether how they will understand the concept. For that purpose, they have given this. Hope you all understood. Hope you all will score good marks on this chapter. Thank you for attending the session. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you all.